Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina at DBC. So I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my spaghetti jollof. So this is all you need if you want to prepare your spaghetti jollof. You need your spaghetti, your oil, plum tomatoes, but that is not necessary, but I just prefer that. Tomato paste, salt, thyme, curry, Maggi, fresh tomatoes, pepper and onions, and I think that's all. So stay tuned and let's get started. I don't blend my pepper completely smooth when making it, but if you choose to blend yours completely smooth, the end result will be the same. It really doesn't matter how it's blended, it will be the same. So first thing, you heat your pot, add a little vegetable oil, some chopped onions, curry and thyme, add some tomato paste and fry for about 5 minutes on a low heat, but you have to stir it as well. Don't just leave it that way so it doesn't burn. And add your blended pepper and let it cook for about 10 to 20 minutes on a low heat. Not too low, but it shouldn't be high. So you put your spaghetti, and it doesn't necessarily have to be parboiled first, but if that's what you like, you do it. Add some water, salt and Maggi. Cover it for about 10 minutes. Then you add some mixed veg and let it cook for about 5 minutes and you're done. Just like that. So let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You want